Hello and welcome to Project Management in Runtime HRMS. We have this brand new portal for managing projects, tasks, and team members for the projects. Now, in this video, we are going to talk about the project creation. So, this is a page which lists down all your active projects, and we will start by creating a new project, and we'll get back to this page. First, click on New Project, and let's select a client. You can add clients, add and edit clients from this settings menu, clients. For now, I'll just select one of the client. I'll say internal runtime software. Now I'll put some name for the project like interior designing. This can be any name that you can specify the nature of the project, and then you have to select the date range from which you expect the project to run and end. So let's say we want to start from 1st of October and we want to end within 3 months. So we want to end by 31st of December. This is how you can select the start and end date range. Then you can put a optional project description. It is not mandatory, but you can still describe the project. So let's put something over here. And we'll keep it active so that we can do further work like adding tasks and team members in this project. Now I'll click save and project successfully created. If I go back, I can see the new project created over here. Now on this page, we have all the projects that are currently there, and we have certain filters over here. So let's quickly discuss about this page. First of all, you can search for any project by typing a name. For example, let's say there's a long list of projects and I want to search for something which starts with attendance. So if I simply type ATT, it will filter out all the projects containing this keyword. Then we have another filter, active only. So it is showing me only active projects. Now if I want to see inactive projects as well, I can turn it off and then I can see the inactive projects. The next filter is related to completed projects. So let's put it back, and if I click on completed only, then there are no projects which are completed as of now, so I cannot see anything. But if I turn it off and I see inactive projects also, then I'll see the completed projects. So ideally any project which is completed will be filtered with this filter, and any project which is active will be filtered with this filter. So if you keep it like this, then you can see all the projects including active, inactive, running and completed. Now over this page we have few more things. It says the project name, client name, status. Then we have the timeline, start date and end date of the project that we are expecting the project to be completed. We have the member count. So if you have added any members to the project, you can see how many members are added in that particular project. Then you have task count. So if you have defined any tasks, that count will appear over here, and if you click on it, you will see the list of tasks which we will cover in the next video. Then work done simply means that out of all the tasks, when team members capture timesheets against the task, then what is the total number of hours that are captured by team members as timesheets. So suppose 10 people capture a timesheet of 10 hours, then it becomes total 100 hours of work. So this is how you will see the total work done against any particular project comprising of all team members and all the timesheet entries for that project. Now we also have edit button over here. So if I click on edit, I'll get back to the original page where I created the project. I can say make changes over here. And then we have a log button. So if I click on log, it will basically give me the log of all the changes that I have done in this particular project. So there is only one log entry which says project created, and this is the date and time. If I add more entries over here, like I change the project name or I change any project description, then those logs will be maintained over here. Plus, if you want to add some manual update to this project, for example, there is a change in the strategy or there is a change in the location where you're delivering anything related to the project, you can also add the new activity using this button. Simply, you need to describe the activity that is happening If you want to attach a document supporting this activity, you can do that and add the activity. Now, if you click on notify members, all the members who are part of this project will get a notification on their mobile phone if they are using Runtime Workman that there is a change in the project activity, and then they will be notified about it. So they can open the project on their mobile app and see that what new update you have added in the project. So this is how the project works. Now there is one more button over here, export. If you click on it, you will get an Excel export of all the data that is displayed over here as a CSV file. So you can open it in case you want to do some filtering and you want to do some analysis. That is a quick export available over here that you can do. So that is it about the basic project management. Now we will discuss some more advanced features like task management, team management, reports, and client management in the next videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.